Welcome to Lakshya Institute Pathankot channel. So today in lecture 22nd we will discuss all the questions which are there in the previous NEET examination for class 11 for chapter 22nd, which is chemical coordination and integration. So let's start with the video. Question 1. A hypothalamic hormone GnRH needed in reproduction acts on option A is the anterior pituitary gland and stimulates the secretion of LH and oxytocin. Option B is posterior pituitary gland and stimulates the secretion of LH and relaxin. Option C is posterior pituitary gland and stimulates the secretion of oxytocin and FSH. And option D is anterior pituitary gland and stimulates the secretion of LH and FSH. The right answer is option D, which is anterior pituitary gland and stimulates the secretion of LH and FSH. Question second. The hypersecretion of growth hormone in adults does not cause further increase in height because option A is growth hormones become inactive in adults. Option B is muscle fiber does not grow in size after birth. Option C is bones lose their sensitivity to grow hormones in adults. And option D is epiphyseal plates close after adolescence. The right answer is option D, which is epiphyseal plates close after adolescence. Question third. Name a peptide hormone which act mainly on hepatocytes and adipocytes and enhance cellular glucose uptake and utilization. Option A is gastrin, option B is insulin, option C is secretin, and option D is glucagon. So the right answer is option B, which is insulin. Question fourth. A temporary endocrine gland in the human body is option A is pineal gland, option B is corpus luteum, option C is corpus ellatum, and option D is corpus caardiacum. So the right answer for this question is option B, which is corpus luteum. Question fifth. The posterior pituitary gland is not a true endocrine gland because option A is it only stores and releases hormones. Option B is it is provided with a duct. Option C is it secretes enzyme. And option D is it is under the regulation of the hypothalamus. The right answer is option A, which is it only stores and releases hormones. Question 6. This pair of hormones are not antagonistic, having opposite effects to each other. Option A is relaxin inhibin, option B is insulin glucagon, and option C is parathormone and calcitonin, and option D is aldosterone, which is atrial natriuretic factor. So the right answer for this question is option A, which is relaxin inhibin. Question 7. This hormone is not involved in sugar metabolism. Option A is glucagon and option B is insulin. Option C is cortisone and option D is aldosterone. So the right answer for this question is option D, which is aldosterone. Question 8. This hormone, though synthesized elsewhere, is stored and released by the master gland. Option A is luteinizing hormone, option B is antidiuretic hormone, and option C is prolactin, and option D is melanocyte stimulating hormone. So the right answer is option B, which is antidiuretic hormone. Question 9th. Anabolic steroids are dash version of testosterone. Option A is effective, option B is synthetic, option C is natural, and option D is ineffective. So the right answer is option B, which is synthetic. So the last question for this lecture is a pregnant female delivers a baby who suffers from stunted growth, mental retardation, low intelligence quotient and abnormal skin. So this is a result of option A deficiency of iodine in the diet, option B is oversecretion of pars distalis, option C is low secretion of growth hormone, and option D is cancer of the thyroid gland. So the right answer is option A, which is deficiency of iodine in the diet.